DeWALT 20 volt 2 gallon cordless wet dry vac with HEPA filter, item number DCV 580H. I'm going to open this up now. As everyone says, 5 feet. Gets right back on there. 2 gallon bucket, completely empty except for that one barcode. HEPA filter that I'm told screws up, there we go. And is good for both wet and dry, and when it doesn't take up any more dust, you can just wash it off. Power just under the handle. It does blowing as well, which is a nice little feature. Then screw and quarter turn. Try it with a bigger battery. It does indeed fit, seems to be plenty of room for any size battery. One attachment. There's another. I'd say that's reasonable. There you have it, the 20 volt cordless DeWALT vacuum cleaner DCV 580H.